The owner's manual has very useful information about the operation and maintenance of the Doodle Scrub. Read the owner's manual before operating the machine. The end of the Doodle Scrub handle includes a clip that attaches the handle to the base. The two-position handle can be attached to the side of the base. The handle can also be attached to the end of the base for those hard-to-reach areas. Below is an up-close look at the correct way to attach the Doodle Scrub handle to the base. Plug the cord from the base into the cord located near the clip end of the handle. Plug the machine into a power outlet. The switch is located at the other end of the handle. Simply squeeze the trigger to operate the Doodle Scrub. The Doodle Scrub works great under urinals, on stairs, under cabinets, around and behind toilets, and in kitchens. Use the Doodle Skate and a blue tile and grout pad to effectively scrub baseboards. To replace the pad, simply peel off the old pad from the grip face. Then, set the machine onto the new pad. Prior to use, check the grip face and the driver pad. Inspect for wear and debris and replace as needed. Check the AC power cord. Do not operate equipment if the cord is cut, frayed, or if the ground is missing. After use, clean the pad and base assembly. Remove or replace the pad when worn. Inspect the grip face for wear. Remove debris between the grip face and base plate. Wipe down the entire base with a damp microfiber cloth. Use a vacuum to clean away debris buildup from the base plate and grip face. Be sure the machine is always stored on a driver pad. Not doing so can cause damage to the grip face. Never place the Doodle Scrub on the floor without a driver pad. Doing so can damage the grip face. Never try to supply power to the equipment in a different way. This can cause damage to the unit and is not safe. Never try to alter the wiring or power supply. This can cause damage to the unit and is not safe. The white driver is a 1/4 inch pad primarily used as a spacer pad. The 3M Scotch Brite Purple Diamond Floor Pad Plus is a diamond-coated floor pad used for cleaning and polishing stone floors. The 3M Trizac TZ Diamond Abrasive Strips create a smooth, highly refined surface. Use wet with a white driver pad on stone surfaces. The SHO pad is an extremely abrasive and heavy chemical stripping pad. It's best used when dirt and buildup are severe. Use with a white or blue driver pad. Use wet on VCT and tile. The SQP pad is a thin pad designed to remove layers of acrylic finish in preparation for recoating. Use dry on VCT and tile. Use the xtreme sponge to remove scuff marks on any floor surface. Add a little water and this melamine pad deep cleans and restores shine between refinishing jobs. Use wet on any surface. The tile and grout pad is best used on grouted tile floors but can be used effectively on terrazzo, non-slip, rubber, concrete, and other uneven floor types. Always use wet.